manifest confirms the delivery. Seals look good, you're authorized to proceed. Welcome to Giga Texas.
All right, the truck is secure. Pull the curtains back slowly. Get the forklift ready over here.
The chromium levels in this batch look promising for the 30X alloy.
Yes, the tensile strength should meet the Cyberbeast specifications.
Purity is confirmed on these samples.
Excellent.
Prepare the station. The main coil is being delivered.
All right, bring it down easy. Set. The hard freaking steel is ready for the laser.
The thermal gradient looks stable according to the scan.
Confirmed. Surface finish is flawless on the complex ribbing.
Here we see the major chassis merge as the structural 4680 battery pack joins the front and rear.
Robots align the complex aluminum ribs with the mounting points on the battery casing. The integration is seamless.
The rear drive unit is secured. Torque looks good on sector 3.
Cables are secure on the 800-volt line.
Confirmed. Drivetrain installation complete.
Cables are secure on the 800-volt line.
Confirmed. Drivetrain installation complete.
The adaptive air suspension components are installed, capable of 12 inches of travel, allowing the truck to change height dramatically.
Steer-by-wire rack is secured. Redundant motors online, no mechanical link.
Verification complete. All parameters nominal.
The actuator is fully bolted into the rear casting. Harness connected. We've got rear steering capability.
Filter seated correctly. Verify the seals.
Pressure holds steady. Military grade achieved.
Ensure the airflow channels are perfectly aligned before locking the trim.
Looks good. The tolerances are within spec. Okay, guiding it into position now. Watch the clearance on the side. Looks good. Go ahead and secure the mounts.
fit and finish on the trim is perfect.
Latch is solid, ready for transfer.
Check the connections on the HW4.
All harnesses secured. The thermal link is tight.
The robots are installing the composite bed panels now. It's sheet-molded composite, completely rust-proof.
The large composite tub is secured, completing the front storage area, offering more space than a sedan's trunk. The large composite tub is secured, completing the front storage area, offering more space than a sedan's trunk.
That's the last set for this batch.
All right, send in the AGV now.
Testing the nervous system. Vehicle passes initial self-check. The truck comes alive. Peak power achieved. Start deceleration.
Noted. Regen braking engaged.
No abnormal squeaks detected at high frequency.
right, the vibration test is complete. It passed.
The grain alignment on this panel looks good.
Check for deep scratches near the wheel well. Any flaws mean replacement.
Tono cycles are clean. Move to the charge port stress test.
Initiating robotic arm sequence now. Check durability metrics.
Check the status. Confirmed. Green light means go.
Born in Texas, ready for the world.
All right, team, trailers 40 through 50 are clear to move out. Confirm all restraints are secure.
Okay, bring it right into Bay 4, please. A little closer to the line. Perfect, thank you. Welcome to Future. She's fully charged and ready to go.
Oh, it's even more stunning in person.
The journey from raw iron ore in the mine to this moment of silent, electric freedom is complete.